Hello. Have you ever looked at the sky and wondered what's up there? Well, above us is a vast ocean of air called the atmosphere, and the atmosphere plays a vital role in keeping our planet habitable. In this video, we'll explore the composition and structure of our atmosphere and how it protects life and insulates the planet. The atmosphere is a mixture of gases, including nitrogen, oxygen, argon, carbon dioxide, and water vapor. These gases are held in place by Earth's gravity, forming a protective layer around our planet. The atmosphere is not uniform throughout. It's divided into several layers, each with its own unique characteristics. The layer closest to Earth's surface is called the troposphere. This is where we live and breathe, and it's where most of our weather occurs. Above the troposphere is the stratosphere. The stratosphere is home to the ozone layer, a thin layer of ozone gas that absorbs harmful ultraviolet radiation from the sun. The ozone layer is essential for protecting life on Earth. Above the stratosphere is the mesosphere, followed by the thermosphere and the exosphere. These upper layers of the atmosphere are very thin and contain very little air. The atmosphere plays a crucial role in regulating Earth's temperature. The gases in the atmosphere trap heat from the sun, keeping the planet warm enough to support life. This process is also called the greenhouse effect. Our atmosphere also protects us from harmful radiation from the sun. The ozone layer absorbs most of the sun's ultraviolet radiation, which can damage our skin and eyes. The atmosphere also helps to distribute heat and moisture around the planet. This makes a more stable climate and prevents extreme temperature fluctuations. So, the next time you look up at the sky, remember the amazing atmosphere that surrounds us. It's a thin, fragile layer that is essential for life on Earth. I hope you enjoyed this journey through the atmosphere. Thank you for watching.